I'm Axel Threlfall. We're back at Cass Business School for the EntrepreneursTalk Cass series. Tonight I'm speaking with Tom Blomfield, the CEO of Monzo. Here's a little taster of what's to come. The big banks, the incumbents, the traditional players are clearly muscling in on your turf. And they've got that trust on their side. Surveys, I believe, show that some of the luster of the app-only, the digital-only banks is being lost. Because the big players are showing that they can do it while at the same time maintaining that trust. Do you worry about that?
No, we don't really. I think there are a few things wrapped up in that question. I think one is trust in big banks, I think is overstated, actually. I think people who use smartphones to run their lives actually trust some of the big tech brands way, way more than the banks.
What could really upset the apple cart for you guys, do you think?
This is all about risk management. It's basically massive fraud, data breach, or infrastructure failure.
Dealing with that stuff, trying to find that profitability, dealing with the VCs, dealing with the pressure of the marketplace, does that take your eye off the ball of actually making this business work and what you really enjoy doing and the reason you set it up in the first place?
My focus is unit economics. You ask any single member of our team what the priority for the company is, and they will say unit economics, I guarantee. The thing I really love is building products that consumers use. That feeling of, and you may have experienced it yourself, there's someone in the queue ahead of you at a sandwich shop, and they take their Monzo card out to pay, and the person behind the counter says, oh, I've got one of those as well, and they have a conversation about how great it is. And I'm sitting there like anonymously behind them, just listening. That feeling is like nothing else. That's what I love, building products that people use and tell their friends about.
It's a huge honour to be invited here to Cass Business School. It's the students and the faculty here are just so engaged and so many great questions. It's a real honour.